Instead of looking like this, why don't we make it something like this? Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you. Hello, let's say you have this stroke text. Click on the windows and click appearance. Click the text first. Add new effect by clicking this effects tab. Go to Pathfinder and choose add. That's it, very easy, right? And you still can change the text. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!